What's up, YouTube? Got a unexpected unboxing video. So before we get started, I just want to say shout out to my girlfriend for surprising me with this package. And also shout out to her for allowing me to unbox this before Christmas, because this was supposedly a Christmas present, but she's letting me unbox it. So we're just gonna do a quick unboxing video. As y'all can see, she got me a RP race exhaust, the Shorty exhaust, and got it Cerakoted black. If you know RP race, you know all their exhausts come, I think it's chrome, but she got this one Cerakoted black and got the silver or the chrome RP race badge on it. So let y'all get a good look. It's got some decals, and you got the mounting springs that go with the exhaust. And I think this is the med pipe, I'm gonna say. It does come, I guess, chrome. I don't think they give you the option to get the head pipe and the med pipe Cerakoted or powder coated or whatever. So the head pipe and the mid pipe, they come chrome or polished or whatever. And this is the head pipe. So that's it. RP Race Shorty exhaust for the Raptor 700. I don't know if I'm gonna put it on Sonic or if I'm gonna put it on the last Raptor that I got.